Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to Decor Radio channel. In today's video, we are going to explore simple way to identify valuable scrap wood, organize your leftover materials, and choosing the best piece for different types of woodworking projects. We will discover how thoughtful wood selection can improve your results while helping you waste less and create more. Whether you are a beginner building for your first DIY project or an experienced woodworker looking to get more value from every board, this idea will help you to see your scrap piles in a completely new way. So, before you throw away another leftover piece of wood, let's uncover the hidden opportunity waiting in your workshop and learn how to start. Smart material selection can turn simple scraps into beautiful handmade creations. So, watch the video until the end to see today's our idea and get inspiration. Let's get started. Before you throw another piece of scrap wood into the fire pits, stop for a moment. That small leftover board could become one of the most valuable projects you ever build. Every woodworking project lives beyond offcuts and scraps. Some are long, some are short, some are dark, some are light, and many people assume they are no longer useful. But experienced woodworkers know that leftover wood often holds incredible hidden value. The difference is not always about the size of the wood, it's knowing how to recognize the potential. Small, beautiful offcuts can become a premium survey tray, a stylish shelf, a decorative candle holders, or a handmade gift that people proudly display in their homes. One of the smartest habits you can develop in your workshop is learning how to choose the right piece of wood before you start the project. Good wood selection saves time, reduces waste, improves the finished appearance, and helps every project look more polished and professional. Every piece of wood has its own personality. Some has rich natural colors, others have beautiful grain pattern or interesting textures that make them stand out. Instead of hiding those features, great woodworkers use them to create furniture and decor with character. Another advantage of using scrap wood is that it is encourage creativity. Rather than buying new material for every project, you begin looking at your workshop with fresh eye. Suddenly, a forgotten offcut becomes a perfect piece for a new idea, and yesterday's leftover become tomorrow's favorite project. Scrapwood projects are also a wonderful way to practice your skills. Small builds require less material, take less time to complete, and allow you to experiment with new design without making a large investment. Every project helps you become a more confident and creative maker. More and more homeowners are choosing handmade wooden decor because they appreciate natural materials and unique craftsmanship. That means every small project made from leftover wood can become beautiful gifts, useful household items, or products that customers love to buy. Every scrap piece has potential. Never assume a small piece of wood has no value. Even small offcuts can become beautiful and useful projects. Small pieces are perfect for home decor, organizer, gifts, and accessories. Great woodworkers often start with another leave behind. Learn to see opportunity instead of waste. Look beyond the size. Bigger is not always better. A small piece with beautiful natural pattern has been more valuable than a large plain board. Pay attention to the wood's appearance. Interesting grain and rich color often makes a project stand out. Let the beauty of the wood guide your idea. Keep similar woods together. Organize your scrap into simple groups. Store lighter wood together. Keep dark woods in another place. Separate large piece from small piece. A tidy workshop helps you find the perfect piece much faster. Good organization saves both time and materials. Save the best piece for special projects. Not every project needs your most beautiful wood. Reserve your favorite piece for projects that deserve extra attention. Decorative trays, coffee tables, shelves, keep sick box. Thoughtful planning makes every piece count. Let the natural beauty shine. Beautiful wood does not need to be hidden. Simple design often highlights the natural pattern better. Let the wood become the main attraction. Clean lines and unlettered design creates timeless results. Sometimes less really is more. Turn small offcuts into a premium product. Tiny scraps can become impressive handmade items. Candle holders, phone stands, key holders, posters, picture frames. Small products often require less material but can still be highly appreciated. Keep only the best scrap. You don't have to save everything. Keep pieces that are clean and useful. Remove the damaged or unusable scrap. An organized collection makes future projects easier. Quality is more important than quantity. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's project? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me which country you are watching us from. If you love decor and woodworking, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your DIY lovers, friends, and family. And let's inspire more people to create something beautiful with their hands. Highlight the natural character. Every piece of wood has its own personality, color variation, natural lines, small knobs, unique texture. These features make handmade projects feel authentic. Celebrate what makes every piece different. Match the wood to the project. Think about how the finished item will be used. Decorative projects may benefit from eye-catching wood. Everyday items need durability and good appearance. Choosing the right scrap helps every project look its best. Good planning creates better results. Give leftover wood a second life. Every reused piece helps reduce waste. Instead of throwing scrap wood away, create something useful. Handmade products become even more meaningful when they started with reclaimed materials. Creative woodworking is also responsible woodworking. Build a collection of scrap wood ideas. Keep a list of small projects. When scrap begins to pile up, you will already have idea ready. This saves time and encourages creativity. Every leftover piece can inspire something new. Small ideas often become customer favorites. Smart wood selection leads to better projects. Beautiful projects begin long before the first hit. Choose the right wood is one of the most important decisions. Careful selection improves the final result. Great craftsmanship starts with thoughtful planning. Every successful project begins with the right material. Create a signature style. Try use similar color and finish across your project. A consistent look makes your work easy to recognize. Customers appreciate collections that match. Your personal style becomes part of your brand. Simple consistency creates a professional appearance. Every piece can teach you something. Experiment with different scraps, try new design, learn from every project. Even small builds improve your skill. Every leftover piece is another chance to grow as a woodworker. Handmade always has value. People appreciate furniture and decor made by hand. Every project reflects care and creativity. Handmade items often become meaningful gifts. They also become treasured part for every home. Craftsmanship never goes out of style. Think like a creative maker. Don't focus on what a scrap used to be. Focus on what it could become. Every offcut holds possibility. Creativity transforms leftover into beautiful design. Great ideas often begin with the smallest piece. Turn waste into opportunity. A wood workshop full of scrap is full of possibility. Every leftover pots can be inspired your next project. Beautiful woodworking does not require expensive materials. It requires imagination, patience, and thoughtful choice. The smallest piece you sometimes creates the biggest success. Bonus scrap wood projects wooden coasters, survey trays, floating shelf, plant stand, wall hooks, jewelry holders, book ends, picture frames, disc organizer, wooden blocks, decorative signs, and kitchen utensils holders. In the end, as we come to the end of today's video, we hope you will never look at your scrap wood piles the same way again. What may seem like a collection of leftover pieces could actually be the beginning of the new favorite woodworking project. One of the biggest lessons in woodworking is that beautiful projects does not always begin with expensive materials. They begin with careful choice, creative thinking, and ability to see value whether others only see leftovers. A small piece of wood with an interesting pattern or rich natural color can become something far more impressive than anyone accepts. Remember, every board has its own character. Some pieces are perfect for furniture while others are ideal for small home decor, gifts, organizer, or decoration accent. The more you learn about your materials, the easier it becomes to choose the right piece for every project. Don't worry if you are just beginning your woodworking journey. Learn to recognize good. Good takes time and experience. Every project teaches you something new. Every leftover piece gives you another opportunity to improve your creativity and craftsmanship. One of the greatest benefits of using scrap wood is that it helps reduce waste while encouraging new ideas. Instead of throwing away useful materials, you are giving them a second life and creating something practical, beautiful, and long lasting that's good for your workshop, your budget, and the environment. Try making it a habit to organize your leftover wood after every project. Sort it by size, color, or thickness, and keep your best piece whether they are easy to find. You will organize scrap collection, saves time, and often inspire the next creative idea before you even begin building. Don't be afraid to experiment. Some of the most impressive woodworking projects begins with small offcuts that almost ended up in the trash. Creative often grow when you challenge yourself to make something useful from what you already have. As your skill improves, you are starting seeing possibility everywhere. A narrow strip becomes a shelf. A short block becomes a candle holder. A small panel becomes a servitory. Over time, your workshop transforms from a place full of leftovers into a place full of opportunity. Most importantly, every process woodworking is not just about finishing a project. It's about learning, creating, and solving problems and taking pride in making something with your own hands. Every completed piece, no matter what small, is another step forward into your journey as a maker. Would you love to hear? We would love to hear from you. What's the most creative project you have ever built from a piece of scrap wood? Was it a shelf, a serving tray, a plant stand, a picture frame, or something completely unique? Share your idea in the comments below. You might inspire someone else's next project. If today's video helped you see the hidden value in the leftover wood, please take a moment to give this video a thumb up. Your support helps more woodworking enthusiasts discover our channel and encourage us to continue sharing creative ideas every day. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification. We regularly share scrap wood project, reclaimed wood idea, and DIY furniture build, home decoration inspiration, woodworking tips, and practical way to turn simple materials into beautiful handmade creations. And don't stop there. We have many project video waiting for you. Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. Your support, comments, and passion for woodworking inspire us to keep creating new content for making around the world. Up next time, keep looking beyond the surface, keep create with confidence, and never underestimate the value hidden inside a simple piece of scrap wood. Sometimes the smallest of cuts become the most memorable project in the workshop. Stay safe, stay blessed, enjoy every moment in your woodwork shop, and we will see you in the next woodworking adventure. Happy building!